Guys, it is not easy for we Nigerians watching this FIFA World Cup. So this was my husband around 10. He was watching FIFA World Cup. When I came to the parlor, he's already sleepy, like even snoring on top. It's not easy for us that are not in US watching this World Cup, because most of the times they are playing this ball is when we Nigerians are supposed to be in bed sleeping. Yesterday, Ghana and England played, and my husband he was watching them, but he slept off, as you can see in the time. Hi guys, good morning, and welcome to another vlog on the WorldCup. I'm frying eggs. Checking my wrist, my shit. Rolling on that life, next week, look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. That's what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's fun legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All in my gear, calls I miss, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Winning the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is doing the way you run it. Before we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage, I'ma always be solid. I'm a young brother when I live. Don't do this silence, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Go, 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 go.
Guys, I'm also drinking my
go. Get up your phone, can't sit at the green light. It kinda shine, me felt like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no runner, have made the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't want to sing. I'm in the past, for back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping a page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them hills, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. But in case I'm in the dip. Was on bad in my apartment. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until it runs about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't
stopping the okra. Did she say you should go?